The issue is the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency sphere at the moment, and also the fact that ICOs in general are not, they're kind of like crowdfunding, for example, crowdfunding for a coin, and that is such an unorthodox way of, you know, like any sort of investment opportunity in the finance industry, that it's hard to regulate it. Also, there are lots of scammers out there. A lot of people put out ICOs just to get money off of people, get people's cryptocurrencies, get people's fiat currency, and then they don't have a token that's got any value behind it. And that's one of the big things right now. Tokens being released have no inherent value, and therefore people are just losing their money. I will do more videos about this, but I hope that was a good introduction to what an ICO is and what to be aware of, because if you're just in general online, on social media, using any sort of website where you're making a financial transaction, you often do see ads for ICOs, cryptocurrency, blockchain. A lot of people who are in bad financial situations are very susceptible to phishing and very susceptible to being scammed. And young people, unfortunately, are very susceptible to this through the whole through how prolific MLMs are and targeting young people just to contribute money in the hope they'll get something back. They often don't. So beware of ICOs, people, but I'll do more videos explaining how they work and how useful they can be to young people, how useful they can be to those in blockchain and cryptocurrency as well who are working on good projects. Thanks for watching.